Good morning, student. This is a new video on crystal structure. Let us find out what is meant by this crystal structure. The crystal is defined as an order array of atom in a space. Most of the metals are crystalline in nature. Crystal structure shows the manner in which atoms are arranged in a space. A regular repetitive pattern in which atoms of crystalline material arrange themselves is known as crystal structure. There are different type of the crystal structure, but most metal crystallize in following ways, like BCC, FCC, and hexagonal closed pack. So before going for this crystal structure, let us find out what exactly meaning of this lattice. Lattice is the regular geometrical arrangement of the point in a crystal space, and space lattice is the atom arrange themselves in distinct pattern in a space is called as the space lattice. And unit cell, the smallest volume that contain the full pattern of repetition, is called as a unit cell. In this figure, we can find the space lattice, unit cell. The unit cell is the repetitive pattern and make the space lattice. And this is the one of the crystal structures area where the atoms are shared at 8 different corners. So types of the crystal structures are body center cubic, that is BCC, face center cubic, then close pack hexagonal, that is the CPH, body center tetragonal, that is the BTC, and rhombohedral. There are many types of the crystal structure. Fortunately, the most metal has BCC, FCC, and hexagonal closed pack structure. So let us have a look which type of the material or the metal possesses the crystal structure. Like body center cubic, that is the BCC, we have chromium, alpha ferrous, molybdenum, vanadium. These are the materials how the crystal structure of the BCC. FCC means face center cubic. The following are the materials which possess this crystal structure, like aluminum, copper, then silver, gold, Pb, Ni, and gamma ferrous. The close pack hexagonal, that is the CPH, it have the following materials have the crystal structure, that is the CPH, that is cobalt, cadmium, zinc, manganese, alpha, titanium. The body center tetragonal, that is the BCT, it have beta SN, then iron, then rhombohedral have BiHg and Sb. These are the different types of the metal which have the different type of the crystal structure. So let us find out the first, that is the face centered cubic. Face centered cube has atom at each corner of the cube and one atom at intersection of diagonal of each six faces of the cube. Each corner atoms is shared by 8 adjoining cubes and each face atom is shared by only one adjacent cube. The unit cell of FCC contain 4 atoms and lattice constant A of the FCC structure is related to the atomic radius r, and small r, that is called the radius, is 4r divided by under root of 2. The packing factor of the FCC is 0.74%. 0.74 means 74%. So these are the some examples, that is the FCC austenate alpha phase, that is have the body centered face centered cubic and body centered tetragonal, that is called as the Martensite, that is body centered tetragonal. These are the two examples. So let's have the some examples, that simple cubic structure, what will be the arrangement of the atom. Okay, means it have the 8 atom at 8 corners. There is no atom in a center or on a face. But in BCC, we can observe in the second figure that there is a 8 corner, which is at the 8 atoms at different 8 corners, and there is a one atom which is the body placed in a body diagonal. In FCC, we can find out the white colors 8 atoms at the 8 corners, and it have the sharing of the 6 atom, and that is in face share with the 2 different cells or unit. So these are the some primitive cubic. You can see the 3D view of this, what how the atoms are shared in crystal structure or in unit. And you can find out in this case, suppose we consider R is the radius of atom and A is the side of the cube, then it is observed that in primitive cubic that A equal to 2R. But in body center cubic, that is the BCC, you can find out this the 8 corner share with 1 of 8 volume in that unit cell. But it is also observed that the center cube centered atom is in on body diagonal of this. So you can we can say that B square equal to A square plus X square. Suppose we consider one right angle triangle, then B the diagonal, A is the two sides, then it is say that B square is equal to A square plus A square. So we can say at the C is the body language, body diagonal, then C square is equal to A square plus B square. C square is equal to B in a body language, because this is A and this is also we can say this is the body organ of the one face, and the C is the body diagonal, and we can get the C value of the C equal to under root of 3A, that is equal to 4R. So the value of the A is equal to 4R divided by 3. But in FCC, we can find out that the face centered, there is the atom at the face and the two atom at the two corners, and when we take the diagonal of the face, then we observe that this B is equal to 4R, and B square equal to A square plus A square, that is the 16R square equals to 2A square. So A equal to under root of 8R. This is the value of A in a three different structure. For the primitive cubic, A equal to 2R. For the BCC, that is A equal to 4 by under root 3 into R. And for the face center cubic, that is A equal to under root of 8R. The simple, let us find out the detail of the in a simple cubic. We already know that the atoms are shared, 8 atoms are shared at 8 corner, and 1 by 8 is of volume is shared by that atom. So the total number of atom per unit cell is equal to 8 corner into the sharing of 1 by 8. So 8 into 1 by 8 equal to 1. So total number of atoms is 1. The atomic radii is A by 2. coordination number is 6, and packing factor is 52% in a simple cubic structure. In BCC, we can find out in the first figure that there is a 8 corner at 8 corner, but there is a one atom at the center, in that is called the center of the body. We can find out the 3D view of this. So we can say that that is the body diagonal of this unit cell is equal to under root of 3 into a, and we can say that is the 4 are equal to under root of 3a, and we can say that the number of atom per unit is 2, that is the 8 corner at the 8 atoms at the 8 corner having the volume capacity of 1 by sharing capacity is 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 into 8 equal to 1, and 1 atom at the body, that is 1 plus 1, that is the total number of atom per unit cell is 2. The atomic radius is under root 3a divided by 4, coordination number is 8, and the packing factor is 68%. Let us find out for the face center cubic. So there is 8 corner at the 8 atoms at the 8 corners, and 6 atoms shared their 50% of total volume in that 6 spaces. So you can we can say that the total number of atoms per unit cell is 4, that is 8 corners at 8 atoms at 8 corners, and it have 1 by 8 of its volume. So 1 by 8 into 8 equal to 1 atom. Then there is a 6 atom which share the 50% of its volume in a 6 spaces, that is 1 by 6, 1 by 2 into 6, that is the 3. So the total number of atom is 1 plus 3, that is 4. The atomic radius is under root 2 a divided by 4, coordination number is 12, and the packing factor is 74%. So you can find out the occupancy or the packing factor of the unit cell. Primitive cell is 52%, body center cubic, that is the BCC, 68%, and face center cubic is 74%, that is the closest pack. So with this I conclude today, and in next lecture we will go for another type of the video. Till then,